Hi, everybody. I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. You know, when COVID hit, I got really concerned because there are all kinds of things that I wanted to do artistically this summer with everybody, and we just didn't get a chance because we couldn't be face to face. But one of the things that I came up with was this very simple drawing class, and it kind of mixes Pictionary, which is a game where you take shapes and you try to draw them and try to figure out what somebody's drawing faster than the other team. So it's mixing regular, normal shapes like circles and squares and triangles and rainbows and things like that, and turning them into animals and things and creatures. And so I've got a brand new series for you. I call it Drawing with Sophie, and I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. Now, unlike my normal videos that go step by step by step by step by step, this is going to be one of those ones where you can stop and pause whenever you feel like it. So I'm just going to go straight on through, and you feel empowered to stop whenever you need more time, or back up, or move forward, whichever works best for you. So let's get started. For this project, you will need paper, a pencil, eraser, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. So the first thing you're going to do is draw a little oval. And this oval, we're going to draw on a little bit of an angle. So see how that's kind of on a little bit of an angle? That's what you want to do. And then on top, you want to add two more ovals, one going to the left and one going to the right, like that. And then in between the ovals, draw a little rectangle and then put a circle on top. And a little rectangle and put a circle on top. There you go. And now from this point where the ear is, draw a straight line straight down. And give yourself about an inch, 3/4 of an inch, and right from that oval bottom, draw the rest of that straight line so that you end up with like railroad tracks. That's going to be the neck. Now let's draw a big oval. Ready? A big oval. That's going to be the body. Now, add a little teeny tiny oval on the back side here to be the tail. And now let's make some legs. So let's do 1, 2 lines down. And then give yourself a little space. And 1, 2 lines down. And we're going to do the same thing in the back here. 1, 2 lines down. Little space. 1, 2 lines down. At the bottom, for the feet, I'm going to be making little, what I call rainbows. So I'm just going to go from the back line here. I'm going to go rainbow, 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 and then close it off. And I'm going to do that on every leg. Rainbow, 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 close it off. Rainbow, 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 close it off. Rainbow, 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 close it off. And that gives me my feet. Now I want to give him some eyes. So I'm going to give him some big eyes up here. There we go. I give him some big eyes. And I'm going to make a little triangle for his nose. And then just a little line straight down from the triangle to make where his mouth is. Now I'm going to outline it for you so you can see everything. Starting up here at the ear, I'm going to go up and around. And I'm not going to close it off with that oval line. I'm just going to leave it so that it looks like the ear just naturally comes. And same thing here. When I get to the neck, I'm not going to come around and follow this line. I'm going to go straight down the neck.
And then I'm going to come straight down the circle oval here, this oval here, and go right into the leg and go right up and over that foot. And then I'm going to come down on the other side. And I've got my second foot here, so I'm going to go up and over with that second foot and come up with the leg. And then I'm going to connect the two, but I'm not going to use that part of the oval because I don't need that part. Then I'm going to go to the back and do the same thing. When I get to that leg, I'm going to go down. I'm going to go up and over for that foot. And I'm going to come down for the leg. Then I'm going to do that other foot, up and over for the foot. Come down for the leg. Come down for the leg. And then I'm going to connect that little teeny spot right there. Coming up, again, I'm not going to keep that area that it crisscrosses over. I'm going to just come around and leave it so that it looks like the tail is naturally there. And then come up and over to that neck and go straight up the neck. Come to the ear, go around the ear. And now here we have the little horns. So I'm going to go up and around and down, then go over, up and around and down. And I'm going to draw my eyes. And my little nose, which is a triangle, and then a little line. And now you get to come and put some hair for the mane. So give it a little bit of hair here. And I can give him a little hair up here. And then I'm going to color him. And once I've got him colored orange, then I can come back and I can add all of his little spots. So let me color him really quickly, and then I'll show you how to add the spots. So as you can see, I've got him all colored in, nice and orange there. And then I'm going to come back and make his feet brown here. So these are going to be like his little hooves. Just make his little hooves like that. And to make the spots, now the thing on a giraffe spots, they're not so much circular as they are kind of like jelly beanish and squares and stuff. So have a little fun with this. Just kind of jelly bean it out. So you make kind of like jelly bean shapes and circular shapes and square shapes, and they kind of mix match into themselves. So let me show you what I mean by mix match. So see how there's a space here? I'm going to go down and around like a jelly bean. And see how I kind of came around that other spot? That's kind of how the giraffe spots go. They're pretty funny. So have at it and keep making a whole bunch of spots all over his body.
Well, I hope you guys are enjoying these art classes as much as I am. I promise I'll keep bringing them to you. But in the meantime, if you want more stuff, check me out at Sophie-World.com. And remember, stay creative and curious.